what is your combat power? Your finances? Are they in chaos? See, a chaotic city is a city that falls, and your finances will too if you don't establish control. You want to make a financial plan with your life? Well, step 1 is get organized. First, I need you to locate all of your accounts. I'm talking everything. We need intel. So, where are you hiding your money? I'm talking the old 401ks, the savings accounts, your IRAs, those pesky credit cards, your student loans, the mortgage, literally every account. If it has your name on it, I want eyes on it. No hidden joker stashes, okay? All right. Now, once you've got your intel, now we can use it to understand your net worth, which, if life was a video game, it would be your combat power, all right? Now, make a list and label them as assets and debts. So the question is, are they helping you or are they hurting you? So, assets, these are the tools in your utility belt, the things that you own. Your checking account, your savings, the 401k, your IRA, your house, the Batmobile. See, these things work for you. Whereas debts, these are the things you owe. They're credit cards, auto loans, your mortgage, the student loans that you've been struggling with. See, like criminals, they take from you. And if we subtract the debts from your assets, you have your net worth. Look, I need you to keep this list handy because we're going to be using it again in steps 3 and 4. So, stop wasting time and get yourself organized. Your financial freedom depends on it. All right, Batman out.
All right, this is where you say, thanks for watching.
What? They should be thanking me. I'm out of here. Don't you worry about it, my nerd guy. I got this. Hey, thanks for watching. We hope that you like, subscribe, and check us out over on Patreon. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. They might just enjoy it too. All right, thanks so much. Bye.